Okay children, after studying about calculator, now we will start a new topic, that is setting wallpaper of the desktop. This screen that you see at the background, it is called wallpaper. Okay, so now we will first read and then we will understand. Windows desktop is the screen that appears when you switch on the computer. Desktop is the operating screener of Windows and its main screen. Means this is the main screen. As I told you that just like a table, we need this desktop to do our work. To open any application, first we need to switch on the computer, and until and unless this desktop is there, we will not be able to do any work. So this is like a table. Shortcut icons for a program can be placed here, which take us directly to that program. These are like the shortcut icons for few programs, and we can add more icons here which will directly take us to the application. We can also add a picture on the desktop to be displayed on full screen. Means instead of this picture and the options provided to us in the desktop wallpaper, other than that also we can choose our own picture to add here to enhance the beauty of the screen. This picture is also called wallpaper. All icons are actually present on the foreground of the desktop background, which is a colorful picture or a simple single color screen. Means these icons are like foreground, in the foreground, and this is the background of it. How can you understand? Like if you are sitting on a chair, okay, so you are sitting in the foreground, means in front, and the back of the chair or the wall is the background. Okay, okay, let us understand why we need to change the background. Because at times we do get tired of seeing the same screen, so to give it a new look, okay, to make it more interesting, we change the background of the desktop. Just like at our home also we see our parents change the setting of the home, or they keep certain things in some other place like sofa or television or anything else. Whatever changes they are doing, why they are doing? Because when we see certain things at some particular place, after a while we do get tired of those settings. So to bring a new look, to make it more interesting and lively, we change the setting. Same is with the wallpaper also. Now changing the desktop background. You can change the background of your desktop to give it a new look. To change the desktop background, the following steps should be taken. We will study what all steps are required to change the background. Okay. Now, first few steps are same in this topic and in the next topic. Okay. So, you can remember them very easily. First, you will right click at any empty area on the desktop and click the personalize button. I have shown these steps in your in the practical video also, so you will understand better. Here we will just do a simple reading of it. The shortcut menu that appears on right click of mouse, whenever we right click the mouse, and if any menu is appearing, what do we call it? Context menu or pop-up menu. Click the desktop background option, you get a new window. Here you can see there are 4 tabs. In the video also I have shown. So you will click on this tab, this desktop background tab. Select any option from picture location, for example Windows desktop background. Here various options are given to you. From here you can choose, and through this option you can choose the picture that you have stored. If you have stored any picture, any scenery, your photograph or your family photograph or any other thing, so you can choose from here. Okay, choose the picture of your choice. You can adjust the picture of your position of your picture using picture position option. And then last is click the save changes. If you will not click on this button, the changes will not be saved and they will not be reflected on the desktop background. Means you will not be able to see the changed desktop background. Now the desktop background of your computer changes according to the selected option. In the video you will see that I have selected a solid color to change the desktop background. Okay children, and you can choose any other picture of your choice. Now we will study about the screensaver. When computers are not in use and left idle for some time, for a certain time, some moving pictures or graphic appears on the screen which are known as screensavers. As soon as mouse is used or any key is pressed on keyboard, the desktop appears once again on the screen. Means when we are not working on the computer and it is left idle for some time, just to save our work, for saving the screen so that others cannot see any work in the screen, we use this option of screensaver. It will start coming on the screen and our work will be hidden. It is like when you are doing your test, you hide your work. Similarly, we want to hide the work that we are doing on the computer and we are using screensaver for that. A screensaver is a program that displays moving pictures or graphics on the computer system. It starts when the computer system is left idle for some time without performing any option. If you want to see the screensaver, your computer should be left idle. Means you will not do anything through the keyboard or mouse. You should not do anything. You will see in the video also how the screensaver will come when we will not do anything on the computer screen. Changing the screensaver, as I told you, first few steps will be same. Means right click at any empty area, the personalize option will come and there you will get this screen again, and here the screensaver option is there. Select any screensaver from the screensaver list. You will select any screensaver from this list. We had chosen ribbons for our video, okay, and then we can preview. We can see how it looks like. Then we will set the idle time of computer after which the screensaver starts. In the video, if you notice, I have set the time as 1 minute. You can set more time. Then you will click the apply button and click the OK button. You need to click on this apply button also. It is essential that you click on this and then you will click OK. And then you leave your computer idle for some time and you will be able to see the screensaver option. The screensaver of your computer changes according to the selected option. The screensaver starts when the system remains idle for number of minutes specified in the wait box. You will understand this better when you will watch the practical video. Now our chapter is over. You will go through the video properly and just see that you understand every practical thing in a nice way because the questions can be asked. Thank you children.